Now for the Merit Labs, this is all about authentication and, multi-factor authentication. In fact, you can see right here, um, I basically had I basically edited like the SSH configuration just to support the public key and like the different interactive methods. So after that, I had basically installed Google's PAM, which is right here, the PAM module. And as soon as I installed it, it basically had asked me to like scan this QR code right here, which is like an authentication QR code. And I used my phone to scan this just so then it could like link it to my phone. And then this basically allows me to like off this basically this is basically for like when I'm logging into like the SSH, um it just like asks me for a second verification, even though that I've basically done this just so then like when I log into the SSH, I'm not just like prompted to, type in the password, but I also have to type in a verification code just so then it's more, secure. It basically like adds like a huge security layer which like prevents access to, any person that's like trying to steal my password or something. So yeah. So you can see right here, I basically use my phone, scan the QR code. It's got the name right here. And after I typed the code in, it basically just like gave me some of my, emergency codes. So for, perhaps maybe I forgot the password, or maybe I've lost my phone, I think it's maybe if I've lost my phone. And yeah, I would have to type this. Okay. And yeah, I also had to answer these questions just so then I also had to answer these questions just so then like I understand all about the whole authenticator thing. It's basically telling me that every 30 seconds a new token is generated, all of that type of stuff. Okay. And I basically edited the SSH configuration file back again, from this to authentication methods, which is public key, password, and then the keyboard is interactive, so I could basically use my keyboard and type in the actual password for it. So you see right here, I'm basically logging in as my webmaster, and first I typed in my password, which was obviously correct, and then as soon as I type my password, it basically asks for the verification code, and then you can see I got it correct, and I'm basically inside the server. So yeah.